What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check if you have any freeze or any strike on your Instagram account, right? Now once you're inside Instagram guys, all you have to do just simply click on your profile picture on the lower right hand side. From there, go ahead and click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you will see account status. And once you open that guys, you will be able to see all four options there, which is remove content, what can't be recommended, content lowered in feeds, features you can't use, etc. Right, so you have all these four, and if all four is green and checked with a, like say, a check mark, then that means that your account is fine. You can also go ahead and open up each of them to learn more about each of these, let's say, guidelines, right? So you can open them and you will see what each of them is about. And that's it, guys. That's how you can go ahead and check if you have any freeze or any community strike on your account by simply checking the account status on your Instagram profile. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Thank you very much and see you next time.